Hey folks, Kevin here. Sorry about the mask. It is June 7th, 2023. I'm down here at the base camp area, working down in the forest in the new property, working on hugelkultur pits. The reason that I'm wearing the mask today is this is the third day where the smoke and particulate matter has been so bad from Canada coming across Lake Ontario that it's forced us to really stay indoors. No garden work, no videos going on outside. I have been able to do this work because I have a good recirculation system in Elan, the excavator. So I just finished doing a large hugelkultur pit right here yesterday. Thank God it hasn't been hot. It's 49 degrees right now, but you can't tell if the sun's out fully, whether there's overcast, but the smoke is just really bad. It really choke you. So I've got a nice N95 equivalent mask on right now to try and reduce the amount of particulate matter. We're staying inside, doing inside work pretty much most of the time, unless we're in vehicles that have a good air recirculation and filter system. So I just thought I'd make this quick video to let you know we're doing okay here. Our thoughts and prayers go out to everybody who's dealing with this, especially the people with chronic respiratory diseases. I can only imagine how bad it is, and I'm sure my voice doesn't sound that good being behind these few layers of mask here. So I hope you all stay safe, take good care of yourselves, don't put yourself at any increased risk. Check on your loved ones who have respiratory disease if they're in an area like this. We're in central New York and we're right in a hot zone where the air is coming across from Lake Ontario now. So that's it for today's video, folks. I hope you folks are staying safe. Take good care of yourselves and take care of each other. Bye-bye now.